Hi guys, in this video we'll be discussing the structure of the stomach. Look, it all the books it's almost been mentioned that the stomach has been divided into few parts. But why so? A small stomach in itself has been divided into parts. Why so? Today's class is the answer for that question. So, in brief, what would be the function of a stomach? The function of the stomach would be to store the food for 4 to 5 hours, and in this storing process, let it be get digested. True? So, the major thing would be the presence of few enzymes. Enzymes that would digest the food material. Now, the functioning of this enzyme requires acidic medium. That is why acid is produced. It means this enzyme is secreted by the cells in inactive form. Which will get converted into its active form in the presence of hydrochloric acid, that is the acidic medium. Now the third, that is the presence of mucus. It would prevent the layers of the stomach from any attack of this acid. Okay, now this we are very much clear about the functioning of the stomach. Now the question was, why the stomach has been divided into few compartments? Why is it so? The reason behind it is, okay, the stomach has been divided into 4 compartments. Which are those? The first one, at the level of the lower esophageal sphincter, that is the cardiac. The second, that is the fundus region, slightly risen level of the stomach, fundus region. The major portion of the stomach, that would be termed as body region, and the last region of the stomach that would eventually open into the duodenum, that would be called as pylorus region. Now the stomach has been divided into 4 regions: cardiac, fundus, body and pyloric. Why so? We are very much clear that the stomach would secrete acid, enzymes and mucus. These 3 things. It would be secreted by few types of cells or glands. These are called as gastric glands. The glands present in the stomach would be called as gastric glands. Now, in all the 4 portions, the composition of this acid, enzyme and mucus would differ. How come? It's a simple sense. In the cardiac region, would the food be staying for longer? No. It's just a kind of a passage. That is why in the cardiac region, we would require only mucus secreting cells. True? It means in this region, the gastric gland would be such that they would secrete a higher amount of mucus for easy passage of food from the esophagus to the stomach. In the body and the fundus region, these are the regions where the food would be staying for 4 to 5 hours for digestion to get completed. Here, almost all the things would be required. That is an acidic medium, enzymes for digestion, that is pepsinogen, which will be getting converted into pepsin in the presence of hydrochloric acid, and the third is mucus. In this body and fundus region, it's all required. Now, in the last region, pylorus region, in pylorus region, here, yes, the enzymes would be required in a lesser quantity because it's a kind of passage once again. True? Less enzymes means less hydrochloric acid because there is no need for hydrochloric acid, right? But here, yes, along with mucus, few other cells would also be present. Which are these? These cells would be called as a hormone, auto hormone controlling system kind of. What we call as, here few cells are present which will detect the level of acid, the level of enzyme in the food coming to it. If the level of the acid and the enzyme is low, from this region gastrin hormone would be secreted. This gastrin hormone would act on the body and the fundus region and would do one thing, that is make more of acid and make more of enzyme. If the level of the acid and enzyme of the food material coming to the pylorus region is okay, the gastrin hormone won't be released. It means it evaluates whether the digestion had been done in this region or not. If it's not a proper digestion, then it would release more of acid and enzyme in the other two regions, that is the fundus and the body region. So in the first region, cardiac region, only mucus would be required. That is very much clear for the easy passage. In the body and the fundus region, yes, the enzymes would be required, the acid would be required, and if the acid is there, a protective mucus would also be required. In the last region, yes, mucus would be required and a hormone would be required and a cells would be required that would secrete a hormone that would act on the other compartments of the stomach to make the digestion go in a proper way. Are you clear? Means the structure of the gastric gland in the four compartments of the stomach are a kind of a different. That is the reason the stomach has been divided into four compartments. That's it for today, guys.